Hey, welcome back to the Burlington Garage. Thought I'd do a little update. We're recommissioning a 1970 280 SEL, and I'll just kind of take you through what I'm doing here right now. So here we go. All right, so we've got the cooling system opened up. What I've done is I've just decided to really go through this car and make sure that everything is right. I pulled the radiator. I knew I had a fan clutch that was bad, so I figured I might as well pull the radiator. I have no idea if it's ever been cleaned. Took it to the radiator shop. I've got that back now. Got the new fan clutch ready to go. And so my next step, while I've got it opened up, is going to be two things. One is get all this nice and clean. And then, since it's real easy to get to the crank bolt, I'll be pulling the cover, making sure I've got my valve clearances absolutely spot on. So might as well do a few jobs kind of at once. It's easy to get the things with the radiator and the fan out of the way. So we'll take care of those things, and then we'll get the valves adjusted. We'll get the cooling system all put back together with fresh coolant, of course. And my next step after that will be just I'm going to replace the points, the plugs, dial the timing in, get the dwell correct, and then this car will be ready to go. Oh, one last thing, which is I can't quite see it in there. New fuel filter, and then this car will be completely roadworthy, and I would drive it anywhere. So, well, one more thing. It will go up on the lift, and the transmission filter and fluid will be changed. So, there you have it. Anyway, I'll give you a little comparison to the fan clutches here. So bear with me a sec. All right, my bench is a little bit of a mess, but here's the original bare fan clutch. It has fluid in it and so forth. You can pull the bimetal strip and actually inject more silicone oil in there. However, it's full. It did not leak out. It just isn't doing what it's supposed to do. The way I know that is simply that when I'm driving the car down the road, it's perfectly fine. Temperatures are right where they're supposed to be. When I'm in traffic, though, it starts getting hot. So, and when you twist this thing, it's really, it's not super tight, if you will. And when it's warmer, it actually is less tight. So that tells me that we got a problem. So, I found a Melee version, and when you look at the Melee, and by the way, don't store them flat like that. Store them so they are vertical. If you get one. And when you look at this Melee, sorry there. They are very similar. In fact, I would say this comes off the same exact set of dies. So when you compare the two, they do seem exactly right. These are a bit more expensive than the Euro parts and other aftermarket fan clutches, but I definitely wanted to stay as original as I possibly can with the car. And also, just as a side note, these fan clutches are no longer available from the Classic Center. But as I look at these two, frankly, I think they're exactly the same unit. They certainly look exactly the same, and the Melees are a German-made product. So So I can put that on with some confidence, I think, and we'll have a car that I don't have to think about engine temperatures anymore. So anyway, that'll be going on, and then I'll show you one other thing.
So anyway, that's where I'm at with the 280 SEL at the moment, and stay tuned. I'll give you an update when I get everything back together. So thanks for watching. Bye.